The final variable type I'm going to demonstrate is the private type. Now, why will we need private variables? And the answer to that is, for example, if you're using a banking website, I've heard this example thrown around a lot. You do not want hackers to be able to access that information from their particular programs. It is much harder for them to write programs that pulls in the information than it is for them to pull the information from an already associated program by writing what is called a function, which we'll talk about later. Private variables block them from being able to do that. So here, if we go here and we change dim to private, so we change it to private dim, so we put a private out in front of it. That means that if we were to do something else on another form, we could not pull this information over to another class. So really, we're not changing too much else in regards to working with the program. So we could still have our traditional z equals x plus y, and then answer label dot text equals z, and nothing is going to look too different from the user standpoint, but from our coding standpoint, we've prevented a lot of potential errors. So do understand that private will come into play a lot, especially if you move on to AP programming in the future.